Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we're going to learn how you can restore media that were previously moved to trash. So let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to Settings. Look up Manage Storage on the search bar above and click on Manage Storage. On this page, go to the Trash tab and you should see all previously removed files from your media. Simply select all the media that you would like to restore, and once you're finished selecting, click on Restore at the top of the list. And once you do that, your media will successfully be restored, and you should be able to find them back here on the Site Files tab. And that's it. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.